Hello everyone, so I'm going to unbox this Hikvision AcuSense. I'm gonna show you the model here. Here's the model. Can you see it? 4 megapixel. This is 4 millimeter and it does have 6 millimeter. I'm gonna open it and then activate it. Nice camera. Darkfighter does have audio. Template. I got plenty of these keys. This waterproof protector. So this is the camera itself. I'm gonna remove this one and then let's take it. Camera, it's so heavy. Let's remove this. And this is what we got. It's the camera itself. Okay, you can put a memory card. It does have a speaker. It's gonna say warning. You're entering in a restricted area. So this is the power, 12 volt. And you connect your network cable. But if you are using a PoE switch, you only plug the network cable here. You don't need power. So here you can connect alarm, you can connect speakers. You can connect a horn speakers. One of my videos I made how I connect a horn speaker on this. So it's gonna be more louder. Okay. Let me plug it and activate it. So I'm gonna plug this network cable. As you can see, it's on. The lights are on. Now let's go behind the computer and then activate it. Remember, every time you buy an IP camera from Hikvision or an NVR, you always have to activate the product using the SADP tool. This is the one here. I'm gonna open it. Click yes. As you can see here, this is the camera. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna put a password. I'm gonna activate. I'm gonna enable it connects. Click activate. They're gonna ask you to enter a verification code. The only numbers. Confirm. As you can see here, activation successfully. I'm gonna use the email address. You can see here it's been activated. I'm gonna log in on this camera quickly. So this is the camera itself, but I'm gonna install it later and I will show you how the picture look like. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.